Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. We have to celebrate one thing, right? Finally, we're out of this consolidation phase, right? For 17 days, we went sideways. Actually, we dumped, but we're out of this range, right? So that's something very positive. You know, we have some movement. We retraced the 786 on the daily after a divergence. And what I tell you guys always, after a divergence, you can expect a liquidity sweep to eventually see a market structure shift and go back to the other side again, right? That means that we came for sell side liquidity again. You know, if you're going sideways for 70 days, it builds up a lot of liquidity underneath these candles, right? For people going long still, right? It's very difficult when you come out of a period of crazy pumpage to switch bearish, you know? And once we're dumping, we actually become bearish, but that's the most tricky part. You know, we're still retracing the 786, very strong support. We're retesting it now for the fifth time, I think. Something like that. You know, there's a possibility that we still see upside, you know, so be careful with turning bearish now. You know, that's what they want us to become. So as that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is that we retraced the 786 again for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th time already. You know, it doesn't mean that we see more downside now, actually. Oh, wait, my battery is low. Why is that? Excuse me. So just be careful with becoming bearish now. You know, the thing is, we have this divergence on the daily. You know, after a divergence, you can expect a liquidity sweep. We did, actually. We came for sell side liquidity underneath this wicks. So what you want to see now is a market structure shift on the 15-minute, right? So when we go to the 15, you can see actually that we bounced on the 786. Right? And what you want to see now is a retracement on the 786. We already retraced this 786, so there's a possibility that we will come to this 786, right? And we are now at that 786. So this is a good opportunity to jump in on a long position, actually. So as we speak, I'm in a long position now at the moment. You know, you can also see a divergence here on the 50-minute. After a divergence, you can expect a liquidity sweep to eventually enter on a retracement after a market structure shift. You know, that's what I teach my students. That's my model, the money printer. So that's how I trade, you know, with a tight stop loss. If we come more down, then we will find a new possibility to enter a long position, you know. If we lose this 786, yeah, it's actually the last 786 we have, right? We have one here. We retrace this one also. We have one here. This one touched perfectly here. And, you know, there is some support left before we actually see more downside, right? We have one here. This one retraced this one, came for this sell stops here. So, you know, everything is possible, but I just want to warn you guys, just don't become too bearish too soon, you know. If we lose it, yeah, of course we're coming to this fair value gap, but you know, they put so much liquidity in this market, especially the big guys, the institutions and things. You know, they lose so much money if we come back more down, right? So I always try to think like a market maker, you know. And when this market has the most fear, we can expect upside. And when the market has the most greed, we can expect downside. So guys, as I said, I'm still bullish on BTC. You know, I don't want to turn bearish too soon. Actually, you know, you see that we retraced the 786 now. Let's go back to the daily because my 786 is not fitting perfectly anymore. We were here on this resistance, on this support level, I mean. So, you know, actually this is the best model you can ever play to make the most money and to become profitable and independent and financial free. So as that said, guys, quick update on BTC. You know, we made a major drop. Yes, of course, we have something to celebrate. Why? Because we left consolidation phase. You know, there's movement now. We can buy, right? We're in the discount market, and in discount markets, we buy with tight stop losses. We just go, you know, just go. That's the message. And you know, maybe this afternoon during New York time, I will post a new video to check what happens. You know, they created the discount market in Asia before Asia, you know, dumping during New York creates discounts for Asia. Asia is the second biggest, has the second biggest market cap when it comes to liquidity. So, you know, and these guys like jump trading and things, you know, they're located in every continent of this world, every country, also in Asia and Shanghai. So, you know, they cooperate. So what they actually do is they create discount markets so the other part of the company can take over and put in liquidity, and that's how they communicate and how they move these markets. So as that said, guys, thank you all for watching. Quick update. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.